Hey guys, welcome to Trending to Your Friends. My name is Biswa, and in this video I'll be showing you some this is basically a product from Ikea, and the name is Ikea 365 Plus, and it is, I can see, it's basically a cup holder, I can say, or you can put that on top of the cup. So if you are using coffee mug or something on your desk workspace, you can definitely have this particular item on your workspace, so that your coffee mug will be on top of this and it will not get messed up, or it will not get even your workspace will not get dirt. So it is 2 into Ikea 365 Plus. Even the price is even cheap, so I got it for around 50 rupees in INR, not even $1. It is around $0.67. In US you will get it for maybe $0.5 or 50 cents. So the price is mentioned at $1, but they give it for 50 cents as well. So as you can see from the photograph, it is clearly mentioned here. It's a cup holder on bottom, and on top as well you can see this one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so guys, let me quickly open it and show you. Let me read the product as well. So it is basically coaster, the name itself called as coaster, and the measurement is 9 centimeter. The diameter is around 9 centimeter. Pack of 2 items, and it is made in China. And let us quickly open it and see the quality. So there are 2 different set of this one. So one is for the bottom, one is for the top, or you can definitely use it for 2 bottom as well. So let me show you. I do have an Ikea cup as well. So if you see this one, the Ikea cup fits here quite well, but you cannot put it on the top. In top, just need to put it like this, and you cannot, or else you can put it like this. So any way that you want. So this is a good cup holder, guys. Just need to put it on the bottom, and your cup and your coffee mug will be safe to be even used, or it will not basically messed up with the table or workspace. This is a very handy product, and you can keep it on your office bag as well while going to office. So you can even use it on the office workspace as well. So it is the video is just about showing you the quality of the product. Let me quickly show you the quality, how it is. I hope you are able to see. So the quality is quite good, guys, and it has a thick diameter. So this one, see the thickness, and it is quite good, and it is made up of wood, I believe. It is completely wooden, and the name is coaster. It will not get even heated up, or it will you will be able to utilize it with any particular cup. Maybe I do have a different cup. I can show you as well for this particular cup as well. I hope you are able to see. I can use it for this cup as well, and on top as well I can use. So it is useful for any type of cup. It is not mandatorily that you have to use Ikea cup along with it. This is the Ikea cup, and it fits better with the Ikea cup, no doubtly, but you can use it for any of the cups. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want to purchase this, I'll give the purchase link on the description section, and you can go ahead and purchase it. So good product, guys. A thumbs up from my side, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.